Page 185, Scale Journey. It's just another study using 16th notes and the C major scale. I kind of wish they'd do the scale in both hands, but okay, let's do this. To look it over, it's a page long, treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We are in the key of C major. So make sure you're doing the C major scale and the A minor scale. Go ahead and do the arpeggios for those two. 4/4 time signature, we got the 16th notes. The right hand's just doing the C major scale. So it's 1 knee and 2, 3, get the then come up 1, 1. It feels the same, but you're kind of going up the scale. Next, measure 3 are here, and then measure what? 4, you're back down. Here. Okay, then measure 5, you're doing the same thing, but you're an octave higher. Or here, here now. Okay, that's the right hand. Left hand's just got the broken chords. The 1 chord, 5/7 chord. And this fun, put them together. Make sure on beat 4 the left hand comes up. On the first measure between, they have a down, up, up. Down, up, up. You're coming down here, but this up, up thingy is just chuck, chuck, because the staccatos you're gonna flex at the wrist. So I'm not sure about the up, up, but let's just do it, because you can put in the articulation. The articulation, okay. Dynamic, they put the dynamic, the first line it's above the staff because they got other stuff in between the staffs. Doesn't matter where it is, you still do it. And the second line and all, they can put it between because they left the other stuff out. But the point is, you're getting louder as you're coming up and back down. So you get one. That top note's your target. That's what you're after, and come back down. So. Put in the dynamics. They apply here to the right hand. Keep the left hand in the background. Speed, well, it says allegretto, but keep in mind with tempo or speeds, it's the overall feel of the piece. It may or may not apply to the beat. It's the feel. A 16th notes will slow it down. Allegretto is between moderato and allegro. I call it the fun speed, typically. But a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, somewhere in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's about an allegretto as far as the beat goes. But that makes the 16th notes silly. See, the 16th notes are too fast. So we're going to slow it down. What's the allegretto for the 16th notes? My opinion, I wouldn't go any faster than that. In the last measure, they threw you a curve. I gotcha. The left hand, see, they switched the staccato around. There, you gotta be careful. They switched it. Now, don't copy me. You don't have to take it at that speed. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, they're getting louder and softer coming in. That helps the natural accents. But again, when you're dividing the beat up like this, each beat gets a little bit of an accent. So do that. Wrist claps a little bit on these I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them better, but you want to feel these natural accents on each beat. 1, 2, 3, when you're dividing up like this. It's important. I don't know that we need to play with me on this thing. It's just a scale. Hopefully you can do a scale okay. So let me know if you have any questions.